Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand I don't know exact pronunciation. Some people say Tous, some people say Taus, some people say Twice. I don't know. Let's call it Taus, okay? So this is Tous, and this brand is a Spanish brand, and their main business started with jewelry. But this is quite an old jewelry house from Spain. But for last 20 years they ventured into fragrances, perfumes, and they have quite an extensive lineup in their portfolio. Altogether probably around 20 to 30, some for ladies, some for men. So they are catering for both genders. And this one caught my eye for a very specific reason, because the perfumer for this is, at the moment, is one of the most famous perfumers in the world, because he created Angel Share by Kilian. So many of you will know Angel Share, or at least heard of it, or bought some fragrances that are inspired by it. Almost everybody loves Angel Share. So when I saw this, I said, wow, I have to get it and see how it smells. So this one is 100 ml and is targeted for men and is Eau de Toilette. It's called Tous or Tous Man Le Cologne Concentrée. So Tous Man less Cologne Concentrée. So basically they're saying it's a cologne one, but it's Eau de Toilette and is 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £30, and let's see how it goes. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they're hidden gems. This could be a hidden gem. And show me your love, show me your support. Thank you for that, and let's go. So when you do unboxing, you can't do anything about the noise. Sorry about that. So this one has got a nice wooden texture to it, very nice, but it's a simple box. It does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. Okay, the bottle is quite nice, again on the simple side of things, but I always say this in my video: give me a simple presentation but give me the best juice, I'll be very happy. But if you give me the best presentation in the world and the juice is not good, it'll be a waste of time, waste of money, and waste of effort. So in this case, a very simple bottle. It's got this shape to it which is quite nice, and the Tous or Taus is embossed in here, and it's a wooden cap. It seems like a wood. Is it wood or a pretend wood? Anyway, it looks like a wood, and the atomizer is modern and also silver. And here we go. Good atomizer, not the best, not worse, so it is in the middle. Good atomizer overall. Okay, so Tous Man, let's concentrate. Ooh, strong. Wow, feeling the room already. Ooh, powdery, very nice. Citrus, fresh. Is that mint? Minty, green, sweet, little bit of sweetness to it, not too much. Here we go, first impression. Wow. Very nice, as you can expect from somebody who's done Angel Share. And by the way, his name is Benoist Lapuza. Sorry if I'm butchering his name. Yeah, he's responsible for Angel Share by Killian. So when I saw his name, I had to get this one, and it shows the smell. It's got a structure to it, it's got a thought behind it, it's got experience behind it, and it's well blended, it's well done, so it smells very good. Yeah, smells great. Smells basically summer in a bottle. Smells happy, smells citrusy, green, minty, woody, hint of sweetness to it, not too much, but everything is done in a balance and in a very good perfumery overall. It's very nice, and it's very happy, very fresh, very inviting, very captivating, and it smells like a summer in a bottle. Yeah, beautiful, very well done. Under £30 is worth every penny. The only thing is, because it's EDT Toilet and it's a fresh fragrance, we have to see how long it will last, because usually with EDT Toilet and fresh fragrances, they don't last that long, maybe about 3, 4, 5 hours if you're lucky. So if you get something in that vein, maybe around 5, 6, 7 hours, then it will have a very good fragrance and hidden gem on our hand. But let me read you the ingredients and we'll take it from there. So the ingredients, on top we have grapefruit and orange blossom. In the mid we have guaiac wood and mint. In the base we have vetiver and tonka bean. So the note breakdown is quite simple. Overall it's quite a simple fragrance, yes, but the beauty is in its simplicity, because it aims for for summer, for heat, and you don't want it too complicated for heat and summer, and that delivers beautifully. So yeah, it opened up beautiful freshness, which is mainly coming from that grapefruit, and the grapefruit in here is beautiful. Is usually with grapefruit it's quite difficult to make it smell natural, because it is one of those notes, either you go too far or you go not enough. But in here it's done beautifully. It's bang in the middle, that gorgeous smell of grapefruit, which is very refreshing, very happy, citrusy, zesty, and very inviting. And also the orange blossom is beautiful again. Yeah, the orange blossom is gorgeous. To my nose, smells natural, which is crazy. Obviously, for this price point, we are not expecting 100% natural. There are elements of naturalness and also element of synthetics. Probably about 50-60% of this fragrance, or even maybe up to 70% of it, is synthetic, but the rest are natural. But those naturals, they are shining, and that's the beauty of the good perfumer behind this fragrance, because they know how to blend the fragrance that it conveys the feeling of naturalness, not and they mask or they cover the feel of syntheticness, and the perfumer is done a very good job in here. So it's quite woody, yes. Yeah, very woody, woody, but the woods are very clean in here. Very clean wood. Overall, this is a very clean, very fresh, very refreshing. It's quite watery as well in the same time. Not an oceanic watery, not a sea salty, but it is very watery, and the wateriness probably is coming from something like a lotus, because I'm smelling something like lotus in the mid. Yeah, something like lotus or some sort of flower that conveys a feeling of wateriness. So it could be either a little bit of carnation in here, or a little bit of that bamboo green tea feel to it as well. Yeah, a little bit of bamboo feel to it. Yeah, definitely bamboo feel to it. So it's a bamboo, maybe water lily, or maybe even a little bit of carnation in here to give it that feel of wateriness. But it's done very well. It's very well blended, very well done, and the mint in here is shining. Yeah, the mint is gorgeous, and the mint in here is giving it a little of that powderiness, which is very nice. So I'm smelling some powderiness and some dustiness, which is coming from the mint, and the mint in here is done again very well. It's not toothbrushy, toothpastey, and it's not one of those that it takes over. So because many people, when the mint is very strong, they don't like it. It reminds them of toothbrush and toothpaste and things like that. But in here again, it's done very well. It's bang in the middle, not too much, not too little, and it smells great. That mint is doing the job of mintiness, but not too much, just a hint of mintiness in here as well. And the vetiver giving it that green backbone, so it is quite green. It is a little bit grassy, a little bit leafy, but not too deep and not too dark. Overall this is very bright, super happy, super fresh, super clean. And the tonka in here mainly is giving it the depth. So tonka, you don't smell that much. I can smell the tonka in the background, but it's not in your face, or at least for now, for the first impression. But it's giving it the depth and the complexity of this fragrance. Overall, this is a quite simple fragrance, but is adding a little bit of complexity to it, to making it more, basically more interesting rather than just a simple fresh fragrance. So overall, it's very well done. If you like it, what I describe, citrusy, especially that grapefruit plus that orange blossom, giving it beautiful white floral feel, plus some floral which is giving it a little wateriness. Maybe it's a bamboo or a water lily or something in that vein, in terms of smell of conveying some wateriness. And also it's quite minty, it's very woody, and it's green, grassy, and it's very fresh and happy. And also that tonka giving it that depth and a hint of sweetness. Overall, the sweetness in here is again very well done. It's bang in the middle, not too much, not too little. It's just enough sweetness to balance everything together in here. And that is again the artistry and the knowledge of the perfumer, which is, I mentioned his name earlier. Beautifully done, very nice. It's very refreshing, very happy, very summery, and it's best for this time of year, which is from now on. Is going to be hot. Today is about 20 degrees in London, so this is going to be perfect. This is good for going to gym, going to work, casual. Although if you want, you can use it evening and also dressed up, but mainly the main application for it is going to be casual and daytime, and going to office, gym, going to supermarket, doing things like that. Very well done, very well blended, very well put together. The perfumery, the knowledge, the ingredients is superbly good. For a price under £30, this is a bargain. Okay guys, in terms of age, this is ageless. Anybody from 15 to 150 can wear it, no problem. It's very friendly. It doesn't, I don't think anybody will be offended by this at all. Superbly friendly, superbly easygoing. It's a very fresh and happy fragrance. And in terms of season, best suited for warmer weather. In terms of age, as I say, ageless. In terms of occasion, this is very casual and daytime and easygoing. And in terms of ratio for what I paid and what I get, is absolutely mesmerizingly good, especially for a price, especially for first impression. In the next video, I'll let you know the longevity and development, things like that. If the longevity is anything good or even medium, this is a no-brainer whatsoever. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future. And nobody else is talking about the amazing value for money. They smell great and they are hidden gems. Oh, by the way, it smells very unisex as well. Yeah, it smells very unisex. Ladies and men can wear it easily. So if you want to purchase one of my own perfume, if you're not interested, I leave them in the link as well. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. There are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. There are ultra beast mode. Just try Persian Summer, which is a beast of a fragrance for summer, and is very bright and happy and long lasting and thick and dense. If you are interested, I leave them in the link. As always, thank you for your support. For like, subscribe, share this video with others, and comment. All these things will help this channel to keep going, to keep afloat, to survive, to stay in this endeavor. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.